Tatlo yung element na kailangan mo para maging profitable ka. You need time, you need experience, and you need to have a system. Yan yung combo. Okay? Kung meron kang system, pero wala kang time and wala kang experience, you're still not gonna make it. Okay? Kahit na may system ka, kahit na ginamit mo si Tipay, in-install mo dyan, katabi mo na si Tipay, maghapon magdamag, nakatutok ka lang kay Tipay. Diba? Pero wala kang experience at wala kang time, you're still not gonna make it. Yung system will not work. Okay? O kahit na meron kang experience, pero wala kang oras, wala kang sistema, hindi sapat yung experience mo. Paano magte-trade? Wala kang oras. Sisingit-singit lang. Di po ba? But it will still fail. Okay? Kung meron kang experience and time, pero wala kang sistema, okay? Most likely parang rat race yan, paulit-ulit.